Well, hello there, first year fast trackers, and welcome to this latest podcast. As you see there, we will be covering the weeks of March 12th, March 19th, and March 26th. And we have a lot to get through, so go ahead and get your calendar or your agenda or your phone or your piece of paper, however it is that you are keeping track of your schoolwork, and let's dive right in. Alrighty, so we are looking at the week of March 12th right there. For your curriculum program and design class, Diane would like you to please read chapter 5 of the textbook. Also on Monday, the 12th of March, your content statements assignment part 1 is due. That is the individual part of that assignment, and that is worth 5%. Also on Monday, the 12th of March, in your curriculum class, you will be looking at the instructions for the developmental objectives assignment. You'll be reviewing that, and so that will be helpful for that assignment. All right, also on Monday, the 12th of March, your Women's Week assignment is due in your sociology class. It is, according to my sources, worth 2% of your final grade. In order to complete that assignment, you need to have gone, hopefully you've already done that, have gone to one of the talks for the International Women's Week event here at Vanier, and then you need to write up a 1/2 to 1 full page summary of that event there. That's worth 2% of your grade in sociology, due on Monday, March 12th. Finally, on that day, your third assignment of the day, you have Child Development 2. There is an in-class assignment. It is worth 5% of your final grade, and Vanna would like you to please bring your textbook and bring some paper to class on that day. All right, phew, that's just for Monday. In art for the Tuesday of that week, please read chapter 9, and if you have time, please also read chapter 12 for my art course. For my health course, there will be readings posted on Omnivox also to read for the week of March 12th. Very important, on Wednesday, March 14th, is your midterm in play, worth a 12.5% of your final grade. So that's on Wednesday, the 14th of March. And on Thursday, in your curriculum design course, your content statements assignment part 2 is due, and that is the group part of that assignment, also worth 5% of your final grade. And on that same day, Thursday, the 15th of March, your sociology test, number 1, worth 20% of your final grade. That is a change of date. That test is now scheduled on Thursday, March 15th, worth 20% of your final grade. All right, and then for my art course on Friday for the studio, please choose your 3D art experience. And for safety, a reminder to bring the manual to school. Franca would like to remind you to keep working on your prop box. It is worth 20% of your final grade. Keep working on the write-up part of that assignment. That's an important part of that assignment. And start thinking about how you will present your prop box as well. The presentations will take place in room N186, the nutrition lab. So you might want to think about that physical environment and how you could use that room to enhance, enrich, complement your presentation. All right, that is all I have for the week of March 12th. Let us now look at the week of March 19th. No, of course not. It is spring break, the week of March 19th, spring break. And so, of course, there is sun, and there are dancing happy people. There is, for no good reason, a unicorn, and there is maracas and Hawaiian necklaces and balloons and applause. Yay! Spring break! Spring break! Yes, it is spring break, the week of March 19th. Woohoo! You made it! And so on behalf of all of your teachers here at Vanier, I would like to wish you a very restful, a very relaxing, a very sleepful spring break. I hope you do some fun things. play safe. We want you to come back alive, but certainly enjoy your spring break. You deserve it. But then it ends. And so we put the maracas away. We remove the Hawaiian necklaces and put those away. And we get back down to work for the week of March 26th. All right, so what do you have going on there? The first thing I would like to remind you of is that despite what it might still say on Omnivox, March 27th is a Tuesday schedule. So that is very important information. On Monday, the 26th of March, your developmental objectives assignment is due in your curriculum class, worth 5% of your final grade. In my art class, I would like you to please read chapter 15. And as well, on Tuesday, the 27th of March, your reading response number 2 is due in art. That's where you are asked to analyze a specific art experience and decide whether it is very teacher-directed or very child-centered or somewhere in between. So that's reading response number 2 in art, worth 5% of your final grade. In health, please read chapter 3 in preparation for the nutrition part of our health course. And for that, I will also get you to bring your apron and your hairnet or bandana. I will talk more about that in class this Tuesday. There will also be some other readings to do for nutrition on your for the health course. And then finally, on Wednesday, March 28th, it is prop box presentation day for the first group. So if you are in group 1, be ready to go and to present your prop box on Wednesday, March 28th. The last thing I would like to draw your attention to is that school is closed on Friday, the 30th of March, no school, and also no school on the following Monday. All right. Enough said. If you have any great advice that you would like to share with me, any tips for your fellow ECE students, let me know and you could become a podcast star. As always, you can post your comments on YouTube. You can get a full transcript of any video by clicking on transcript underneath the video. And, of course, stay tuned for the next announcement, because that will mean that a new podcast for the first year Fast Trackers is ready to go just for you. That's it for me. Have a great week, everybody. Thanks. Bye.